Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Institute Rank. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Faridabad? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Faridabad. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So without further delay, let us begin the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the finest coaching center for NEET preparation. It is completely online coaching and is spread across all over India. So, you should definitely try Toppers Academy once. If you wish to connect to the institute, you can do it by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call the Hindu Zone Institute. It will definitely be helpful. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Brilliant Tutorials. In today's world of competition, preparedness is the key to success. It's even truer regarding competitive examinations like JEE, NEET and Civil Services exam. Here, you have to battle it out with the best of the brains, and the one who wins will be the one who is better furnished, fully armed and fiercely trained with the proven skills and has the perfect temperament of a true champion. That's what Brilliant Tutorials do to young aspirants like you. It grooms and guides you to your cherished goal more thoroughly, more systematically, more effectively and with seamless more dedication. In fact, there is no other institution that's anywhere close to brilliant in the richness of experience, reputation for integrity or sheer results in Faridabad. Now, let us discuss some of the key features of joining the institute. The very first is, this coaching institute provides excellent course material, experienced faculty and a committed management. Further, this has contributed to building Brilliant Tutorials as the most trusted coaching in preparing the students for competitive entrance examination. Number 2, they provide group tuitions with a batch size of approximate 10 to 15 students only. Number 3, they provide more course hours to their students for completion of their syllabus and thorough revision. They have better study material featuring concise and complete theory lessons, and at last, they give a more interactive training approach. At rank 4, we have PACE IIT and Medical Coaching. PACE IIT and Medical Coaching Institute were established in the year 1999. It has fostered admirable heights to become one of the best coaching institutes in Faridabad. Their IIT JEE, NEET, AIMS, International Olympiads and study abroad programs have been producing outstanding results for the long 20 years. The pillars drive them to churn out of the best outcomes in every competitive examinations like IIT, JEE, BITSAT, NEET, etc. Study material, fully loaded library, state-of-the-art infrastructure, best pool of IITians and doctorates as faculty members, and excellent testing methodology altogether make this institute the preferred choice of parents and students. Now, let us talk about the features of the institute. So the very first is, they provide group tuitions with a batch size of 15 to 20 students only. Number 2, highly qualified and experienced teachers monitor the subjects effectively and efficiently and also assure that every student gets proper individual attention. At last, parents are regularly informed about their child's progress and performance. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Career Launcher Institute. Career Launcher focuses on different segments of education across the learners of multiple age groups. It is led by a team of highly qualified professionals, including IIT IIM graduates. Further, Career Launcher Educate has been shaping the lives and careers of many students for the past 20 to 21 years. At Career Launcher Educate, they have enabled individuals to figure out their potential and achieve their dreams. Further, this is their core ideology and they are firmly grounded in academic excellence, technological innovation, and domain expertise built over years. Moreover, they operate across a broad spectrum of segments in the education industry, including test preparation and vocational training. Now let us talk about the features of joining Career Launcher Institute Faridabad. Very first is they offer a 2-year classroom program for class 11 students for a more focused and better preparation of the exam. Number 2, they guide aspiring students to build their medical career with their conceptual knowledge, study methods, and mock tests. Number 3, a network of 200 test preparatory centers in 100 cities throughout India with 50,767 students enrolled. At last, vocational training courses, recruitment services, and training and management services for government projects are provided in the institute. So, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Faridabad. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more information and updates like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.